Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 4.25 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I will chain 2. Now on the second chain from the hook I'll make 1 single crochet. I will chain 7, then through that same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 7, then through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 7, through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. So now that you have 3 7 chain loops, right here through this first single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now through a 7 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. This is row 2. 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 treble crochet, chain 1, then right here to that 7 chain loop I'll make 1 half double crochet, chain 1, through that same 7 chain loop I'll make 3 treble crochet, one double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 1, and right here through this next 7 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 treble crochet, chain 1, through the same 7 chain loop I'll make 1 half double crochet, chain 1, I'll make 3 treble crochet, one half double crochet, 1 single crochet. Through the next 7 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 3 treble crochet, chain 1, then through the same loop I'll make 1 half double crochet, chain 1, through the same loop I'll make 3 treble crochet, one double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Now right here through this single crochet chain in between these petals or leaves I will make a slip stitch, and I will chain 11, now on the second chain from the hook I'll make 1 single crochet. Now for these 10 chains I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. This is the first single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then through that same chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Now I will weave these ends in. This is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.